Hello everyone, we're back again with another interesting recipe. If you're a fan of bananas, caramel and whipped cream, then this recipe is specially for you. We are making banoffee jars, so let's get going fast. So the first step to make the banoffee jars is to whip our cream. Here I have non-dairy sweetened whipped cream. So I will use an electric beater and beat it at least for 5 minutes. So our whipped cream is ready. As you can see, it's nice and fluffy and it's not falling, it's not liquid. To make the biscuit layer, I have taken 5 large biscuits, like you can take marigold and all. Then we will add around 2 tablespoons of melted salted butter because all the other components are very sweet. This balances the sweetness. And the first layer in the banoffee jar is the biscuit crumbs. So just around a tablespoon is enough. So the second layer is the whipped cream and you have to spread it evenly. There should be no air bubbles. After that we will add some banana pieces. Again we will put the biscuit crumbs. Again we will add the cream. Again we will add banana. Now one more biscuit layer. We have leveled it to the brim and now we will add one last interesting touch. That is some caramel drizzle. So you can use store-bought caramel or just make it at home using caster sugar and some butter. Wow. So that is a lot of caramel and we will let it drip to the side because that is fancy. Our tempting banoffee jar is ready. Do try this easy recipe. Subscribe and share. Bye.